Hey guys, let's talk about the Tapo C260 not connecting to the Wi-Fi. There are different ways to test and see why it's not connecting. So as first, you just need to connect to your router, and it doesn't matter if you have a router with the 2.4 or 5 gigahertz network. This camera will work with both of them. So here I have my router. Let me just show you here. This is an Xfinity router. It works with both bands, 2.4 and 5, and here I have a repeater that works with both of them as well, okay? So I'm not having a problem here with the band, but sometimes you just need to restart the router or the repeater and try again. So just unplug, wait 1 minute and plug it back, and you can do the same here with your router. I don't know if you have both of them or just one, but you just need to unplug and plug them back, right? Then you just try again, try to connect your camera. If that doesn't work, what you can do is just come here to your cell phone. If you're using an iPhone, of course, come here to the settings and then general, and you go all the way down, and here you click transfer or reset your iPhone, and then tap on reset, okay? Don't worry, here you're just resetting the network. So just tap on reset network settings, and you can just use your password and confirm. Then your phone is going to wipe out the information about the network, the Wi-Fi. Then you just need to connect the phone again to your Wi-Fi and give the password. Then you try to connect the camera again and it's going to work. Okay, most of the time it works pretty fine that way. So that's one that you have to try, the settings. And another thing you can try is also using a different phone. See here that I have an Android phone and also have the Tapo app working here with the Tapo C260 working pretty fine. So you can set up using a different phone, and then later you can just come here with the iPhone and it works as well. It doesn't matter which phone you are setting it up. After the setup, you're gonna see the camera here, okay? And let me just remove the camera here and show the step-by-step on how you can connect the camera.
Reset successful. Rebooting camera. Please wait.
So as you can hear, the camera says that it's rebooting, right, and also resetting. And then here, you're gonna see the camera flashing, the LED, red and green when the camera is ready for the setup. At first, you see here just a steady red, and then you just need to wait for the camera to start spinning and testing. So it spins in the horizontal and then moves the lens up and down, and then it stays ready for the connection, okay? Just make sure as well that you have here the Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi enabled. This camera works with the Bluetooth. You see here the information about the Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi. So here is the Wi-Fi 2.4 and 5 gigahertz and Bluetooth 5.0, right? So Bluetooth is enabled here and also the Wi-Fi, so I'm good to go. I'm just waiting here the camera to become, to start flashing here red and green, then I'm good to go. So I come back here to my app and I click here on this plus signal, add device, indoor camera, and all the way down I'm gonna find the Tapo C260. Then you just make sure that you have the LED flashing, which it is. And you see here that's using Bluetooth to connect to the camera, right? There we go. Just wait for it to connect. And after this, you can set up the Wi-Fi. You see the phone found the camera. The next step is just inform which Wi-Fi to use. You see here that the camera can work with my Wi-Fi 2.4 and my Wi-Fi 5, right? I have both of them working here with separate signals. So I'm gonna choose here my Wi-Fi 2.4. That's the most common one. I suggest you to try this one first. And here just insert the username and the password. No, not the username, but the router and the password. Hit next, next again.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connected.
There we go, you hear the message that Wi-Fi is connected. You see here there's this chime and the LED here changes to green. And you just need to name your camera. select the location and everything else, right? So the idea here is that the camera can connect either to 2.4 or 5 gigahertz. Doesn't matter which one your router has. Usually it's a question of restart the router or restart the network on your phone, or also use a different phone and it's going to work. Let me just dismiss here. I'm not gonna use this right now. And then I just continue here with everything that's common for the setup. Let's just come here to the SD card, got it, next, next, and next here for set on a table. And I'm good to go. I'm just put the camera back there and see if it works. Check the preview. Let's just drop the volume here because the camera has a microphone there, and you see that's working. I just hit done and you see that the camera is here, okay? On the Tapo 260 and it's working. Let me just move the camera a little bit. There we go, working pretty fine, all right? And basically, those are the things that you can try. There is no secret here, just restarting the router solves a lot of problem, or resetting the network on the iPhone also resolve the problem most of the time, or you can even use a different phone, okay? You can try those 3 things and it's going to work. So that's basically how you solve the problem with your Tapo C260 not connecting to the Wi-Fi. And be aware as well that I just restart the camera to factory default as well, right? You can do this even from here when you remove the camera, or you can go directly to the camera and reset from here. It's important to show this as well. That's the last thing that you can do. Just come here, press this button, and hold for 10 seconds until the camera resets, and then you start over, right? So hope that helps you. Just leave your comments here, what works for you and what doesn't work for you. Subscribe to this channel, and also you can give the thumbs up. So I see you in the next video.